In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can easily back up your store. And in this video, I'm not going to show you that, okay, that what you should do is to download data from your theme on Shopify store. It doesn't work like that. What you actually need to do is to use application for it. And I'm going to show you one of them that I recommend for you to use that helps you also back up your data, restore it, and also copy the critical information. So let's say that you would get hacked, but you need the orders, you need to have all those products also on a new store because you would get hacked. It's like, all right, stuff happens. And the application that I'm going to show you right now helps you with that. So let's start and let me show you the whole process, pricing plans, etc. So when you come here, the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it and you're going to click on a link, you will get right here to rewind. Then what you want to do is you could go to top right, start your free trial, and you can start the free trial by adding an email address, full name, organization name, and how it actually works, the whole process of connecting with Shopify. When you're gonna start the free trial, then you will be able to integrate it with your Shopify store. The whole pricing plan and products, it all depends only about how many orders you have. So as you can see, if I'm going to have 80 orders a month, I'm going to have a growth plan, $10 a month. So that's like really good. Then let's say if I'm going to click products Shopify, you can simply back up the Shopify store right here. What rewinds backs up to Shopify? This means you can restore individual items, including images, description, blogs, themes, orders, pages, customer list, and more, multiple items at once, like an entire collection or brand, your complete Shopify store, just how you like it. So you can copy literally everything with Rewind. And simple pricing for all stores, you see right here, if I'm going to have, let's say 700 orders a month, I'm going to have a business backup of $60 a month that I would pay. And in that regard, it's like really good. And get peace of mind, install minutes, cancel anytime, 7 days free trial. And the last thing that I want to show you is if you would come here and if you would come to Rewind Shopify, look at this, 4.9 stars, 4.8 stars, 800 stars. Plenty of people are really satisfied with the application that you can use. And you just start the free trial and you connect it with your store and you're good to go. It's nothing too difficult. I'm going to even show you the video here, how it works out. Backup themes, orders, collections, Shopify store rewind, backups installed. Look at this, and this is how it looks like. The advanced restore, and if you want me to, I can create a whole tutorial on what you can do and how you can back up it, that I would create everything from the Shopify store. I can do it for you if you want me to, but this is pretty much it how we do it, and this is how you can back up Shopify with Rewind. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, etc. Rewind is a really good app for this. Definitely test it out. You have a free trial that you can see and how it actually works. So yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.